If you thought the 2026 Mazda CX-5 was going to be just another safe update, you're in for a surprise. Mazda didn't settle for a mild facelift this time. Instead, they went all-in and rebuilt one of their most important SUVs from the ground up. And in the process, they've made a bold statement. The CX-5 isn't just catching up to the competition, it's ready to set the pace. Let's talk looks first, because that's where Mazda really shows its intent. The CX-5 has always been one of the sharpest designs in the compact SUV world, and Mazda knew better than to throw that away. Instead, they refined it. The proportions are lower, wider, and more confident. The front grille has grown larger and more sculpted, flanked by razor-thin LED headlights that feel futuristic yet elegant. Along the sides, you'll notice smoother panels, tighter creases, and a flowing coupe-inspired roofline that makes the whole SUV look more premium. It's still instantly recognizable as a Mazda, but with a stronger sense of purpose and presence. But the real revolution isn't what you see, it's what you don't. For the very first time, the CX-5 introduces Mazda's own in-house hybrid system. No borrowed tech, no shared parts. This is Mazda's engineering DNA at work. At the core is the brand new Skyactiv Z engine, a next-generation four-cylinder that signals the beginning of Mazda's shift away from its long-serving Sky and X power plants. This hybrid system isn't just about fuel economy either. Mazda built it to keep the driving feel alive. You get lower emissions and better efficiency, sure, but without losing that signature Mazda connection to the road. For drivers who love the brand because of its engaging nature, this is huge. It's Mazda saying, you don't have to compromise fun to go green. And the best part, this is only the beginning. Expect to see more Skyactiv Z hybrids roll out across the lineup soon. Mazda is also tackling another frustration in the car buying process: overly complicated trim levels. Instead of cluttering the showroom with endless options, the new CX-5 lineup is more streamlined. Fewer trims, more thoughtful packaging, and better standard equipment mean you won't have to spend hours trying to decode which version gives you the best deal. In short, buying one just got a whole lot simpler. And make no mistake, the CX-5 is critical to Mazda's global success. In Australia, it ranked as the third best-selling midsize SUV in 2023, proving just how strong the demand is. That kind of momentum is exactly why Mazda is going all out with this redesign. They know this SUV isn't just another model, it's their volume player, the one that has to win both hearts and market share. Inside, while Mazda hasn't spilled every detail yet, we can make some safe bets. Expect a cabin that leans into Mazda's philosophy of minimalism without feeling sparse. Soft-touch materials, leather options, and brushed metallic accents will give it an upscale vibe. Tech lovers will get a large high-resolution infotainment display, a fully digital gauge cluster, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus clever storage solutions. The layout will remain driver-focused, clean, and uncluttered, exactly the kind of cabin that feels relaxing, not overwhelming. And then there's the drive itself. The CX-5 has always been praised for being one of the most engaging SUVs to drive, and Mazda clearly doesn't plan on letting that reputation slip. With the hybrid system, acceleration is smoother, the cabin is quieter, and the chassis has been retuned for even more precise handling. Whether you're weaving through city streets or opening it up on the highway, the CX-5 feels like it's built to deliver joy behind the wheel, not just utility.